Hi, I'm Ayman and welcome to day 2 of Style Hair with Ayman. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you this trending 3-strand lace braid that looks perfect on any traditional looks and is super easy to create. So if you're interested in learning, then please keep on watching. Before starting any hairstyle, I always begin by framing the hair around the face to complement the client's face shape and proportions and decide what suits the best. In this case, the bride specifically wanted all her hair pulled back with some face framing strands. This suited her beautifully, so we went ahead with that. Then we curled the entire crown area to add that soft textured finish to the hairstyle. Then we tucked all the hair back and left few strands on her face to frame her face. Securing all the hair tightly with a bobby pin. Then just tie the hair into a pony and then start braiding your hair normally like you would do in a 3-strand braid. The hairstyle is so easy and simple to recreate that anyone can do it instantly and it takes no time to complete. Now for the fun part, you just have to take the lace and add it onto the braid. This will not only elevate your hairstyle but will also make it look so pretty. I'm just randomly wrapping it around in a crisscross motion. Lastly, adding flowers to complete the hairstyle. I personally feel adding flowers to any hairstyle makes it look even more prettier and better. I love how beautiful it looks after adding flowers. We were contemplating if we could add one more element to the hairstyle like these leaves, but it would have looked too much, so we just dropped it and left it as it is. And here is the final look. Wasn't it so easy? If you liked this simple hairstyle and learned something new today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!